Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you online appointment booking system. This is our admin panel. You can see appointment. This is today, monthly, weekly, daily, calendar based. You can select date, then service, all service here. You can add new service and you can also change status, enable, disable. You can delete and you can edit your service. Okay, then schedule, all schedule in here, label, at break, off time, off day, everything you can set up. Then staff, you can add new staff, and staff you can see all staff lists, and here you can edit staff details, then service details, staff available, you can delete staff. Okay, and CRM, you can create new users, you can edit and delete all CRM data here. Then payment history, then settings, company settings, general settings, supplier payment settings, then email notification, email template, SMS notification, SMS template, booking, that promo code, referral code, then front tools, so many options, SEO, quick booking, then export, referral code, okay, so profile, you can customize your profile, extension, support, what's new, company name. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.